A lot of gamers play in racing chairs, but if you play racing games, you're gonna want a high quality racing cockpit, something I've wanted for many years. Then about a week after I released my sim racing video, Fanatec hit us up all the way from Germany and said they wanted to give us a RENNSPORT racing cockpit and a SPARCO racing chair and a bunch of other amazing stuff to complete the set. I kept it cool, but honestly, I was starting to tear up a little bit before I got off the phone. This is a pinnacle moment in my life, so let's cut some tape. I hope there was nothing else in there. All right, first box. Let's see what we got. Whew, getting anxious already. Boom, BMW CLUBSPORT M3 GT2 wheel. Let's see what it looks like. Pretty heavy. It's got some weight to it. It's got this sweet bag on it, and I have no nails. Technical difficulties. Okay, got the knot. Oh man, this is licensed from BMW, so all of these buttons, everything's real, everything's programmable. Happy camper right now. All right, this one's heavy. Boom. Okay, let's check it out. Boom. So I'm a PlayStation dude, so this is the one I would be buying. You got the warning lights to go racing, the bottom red lights, and then green with 180 beats. Come on, I mean, that's pretty cool. I love that. Sweet, so that's there. More nice foam. Okay, got it. All right, so let's check this out. So this is super nice, super high quality. It's got the brushed aluminum. And then we got the big base. There we go, there we go. Boom, foam aside. Boom. So this is super nice looking. I mean, this is gonna be my pride and joy on my PlayStation. Can't wait for it. Stoked. Next box, more Fanatec. There goes Nolan. Nolan can't wait. He's already checking out all the good stuff. Let's crack this thing open. I can't wait. Boom. More boxes inside of boxes. Unboxing boxes inside of boxes. Whew. Another wheel inside of a bag. And this one does not have a knot on it, so I can just get straight to this one. Ooh, CLUBSPORT, Fanatec, drift wheel. Oh man, I'm getting excited. I can't even wait anymore. Boom, looks like we got a CLUBSPORT handbrake. Yeah, this thing's looking nice. The cool thing about this one is you can mount it. We'll show you, actually. Let's open it up first. And then here is the jam. This thing is what every racing gamer wants. You want a sweet handbrake. And the cool thing is you can mount it like this, like a normal car, or you can mount it like this. This thing is a dream come true. CLUBSPORT shifter SQ. Shifter. Yeah, and let's check it out. Let's just get right into opening this thing because it's going to be sweet. Got it. All right, more black foam. I love black foam. Black foam's so much cooler than white foam. I don't discriminate against white foam. You're still cool. Boom. It's gonna come with two different style shifting knobs. So this is one style of shifting knob. This is like the sequential style. And then here's the actual shifter. If I can get it out of here without breaking it. Boom. Ooh, man. This thing is legit. This is all metal. This is all real nice. It's got this kind of knob, which is more of the like box style shifting. I'm in love with it. What can I say? Next box. What are we gonna do? We got a big one. Let's go big. Let's keep going big. Boom. And I open it upside down, so I definitely don't know what it is. Easy does it. Boom. Oh, these are the inverted pedals. This is the dream of sim racing right here, is to have inverted, high quality pedals. Wait, sorry, but it will not fit in your car. Damn! I hope there was nothing else in there. It's got a nice little Fanatec bag. You use this to go shopping, take a Whole Foods. It doesn't have handles on it, but you'll look like a badass. And these are so nice. This thing is proper, so. Whew. I could keep talking about it for another 3 hours, but let's move on. Boom. These are gonna be monitor mounts. So these are really nice. I like the finish on these things. Just like that. These will probably go here. All right, another box. Got my knife. Let's check out and see what's in this one. Ooh, sick. Universal hub for the CLUBSPORTs. Let's see what it looks like. Oh, a whole bunch of little buttons. You can put little buttons wherever you want them. Boom, damn. So this is the button setup with the quick release that will mount up to the wheel. Super versatile, super awesome. A heavy box here. Boom. Boom. This is the evolution of their V2 wheelbase. This is the V2.5. So it's even cooler and better than the previous model. Let's check it out. It says, hello. Hello, Fanatec. Realism. Goodbye. I don't want to say goodbye. Toys. Oh, toys. Goodbye, toys. Yeah, this stuff is not toys. That's pretty much what it's saying. This is real deal, proper sim racing stuff. Okay, got it. Let's see what this wheelbase looks like. Boom. Oh man, this thing is blossin'. So you can see the inner workings on this thing. It's really sweet. It's got dual belt drives, really proper stuff, and I really love how you can see through it. I mean, that's so neat. Before I get too carried away, let's move on to the rest of the boxes. All right, so I'm thinking we'll do the racing seat first because the cockpit's gonna be in a bunch of pieces and we have to assemble that together. All right, let's just open the racing seat. Hit my chin. Boom, one more big slice. Just have this thing opened. Almost just knocked over our monitor. Here's the racing seat. This thing is super sick. It's a SPARCO. Ooh, boom. SPARCO Pro 2000. I'm stoked. I want to sit in it right now, but I'm going to wait until we put together the cockpit, which we're going to open right now. Did I pop this thing? I feel bad popping it because it's so nice. All right, last box. This is the cockpit. This is the thing that's going to hold everything we just opened. So let's check it out. Boom. So that's what it's gonna look like when it's all put together. I mean, there's just pieces on pieces. I don't even really know where to begin right now. Okay, let's see kind of what we got here. I can already tell that this is like super nice quality stuff. It's got the same finish all around. This thing is monstrous and it looks really cool. It's got this cool mesh on it. So obviously this thing is super sick. It looks awesome. There's a lot of pieces inside this thing, and rather than torture myself looking at every single one, I'm just gonna go ahead and put this all together right now. So this is what the rig looks like all set up, and it's just as awesome as I imagined. It's super comfortable to sit in, and to be honest, it's everything I've ever dreamed of. I'm so excited to start testing it out that I'm actually playing live right now on Twitch. You can find the link to our Twitch in the description below, as well as our live stream schedule. There's also a link down there to the Fanatec website so you can get yourself set up with everything you need to race like a pro. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button down there so we can continue to do cool stuff with you guys. Let me know what games you want us to play in the comments below. Thanks for watching. Thanks Fanatec for making dreams come true, and we'll see you on Twitch. Ha